You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. And yes, there are different pronunciations in English, because this is originally an Islamic or Arabic name. This is why you got two different pronunciations in English. The British English pronunciation is Abbasid, Abbasid, with a stress on the second syllable, but the Americans usually pronounce it more as Abbasid, so Abbasid, so both pronunciations are correct in English, Abbasid or Abbasid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.